Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to make sure everyone can see your text story on Facebook using the new update. If you've ever wanted to share your thoughts or updates with a wider audience, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps to make your text story visible to everyone. First, open Facebook on your computer. Once you're logged in, go to your home page where you'll see the option to create a story. Click on Create a Story to get started. Next, select Create a Text Story. This will allow you to share a simple text-based update with your friends and followers. Now, you'll see a text box on the left side of the screen. This is where you can type your message or update. Whether you want to share a quick thought, a quote, or an announcement, go ahead and type it here. You can also choose a font that fits your style to make your story more personal. Once you've finished writing, it's time to set who can see your story. Look for the small gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and click it to open your story settings. In the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Public. This is the option that will make your text story visible to everyone on Facebook, not just your friends or custom groups. Simply click on Public to select this option. After selecting Public, click Save to apply the changes. Finally, click Share to Story, and your text story will be live for everyone on Facebook to see. And that's it. Now you know how to make sure everyone can see your text story on Facebook. It's a great way to reach a larger audience with your updates and thoughts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.